Ever wondered why New York City freezes over in winter, while cities in Europe at the same or even higher latitudes stay surprisingly mild? Take Madrid, for instance. It's at the same latitude as New York. But snow there is a rare event. Or think about Paris, which is actually farther north than any part of the mainland United States. Yet its winters are much gentler. It seems counterintuitive, right? You'd think being closer to the equator automatically means warmer weather. But it turns out, the real MVP of climate control isn't latitude, it's the ocean. The secret lies in a massive, powerful river of warm water in the Atlantic Ocean called the Gulf Stream. This current originates in the warm waters of the Caribbean and gets supercharged with heat as it flows through the Gulf of Mexico. From there, it shoots across the Atlantic, heading straight for Europe. As this incredibly warm water travels, it heats up the air above it. Then, strong winds blowing from the west, known as the westerlies, pick up this warm, moist air and spread it all across the European continent. This is the reason why places like the United Kingdom and even coastal Nova, which is at the same latitude as Alaska, have relatively mild, ice-free winters. The Gulf Stream acts like a giant hot water bottle for Europe. So, what's happening on the other side of the pond in North America? Well, we get the complete opposite effect. The story of North American winters starts way up in the Arctic. Cold, dense air builds up over the vast, frozen landscapes of Siberia and the polar regions. Unlike Europe, which has the Alps acting as a barrier, there are no major east-west mountain ranges in the central part of North America to block this frigid air. So, when the conditions are right, this massive blob of polar air surges southward, roaring through Canada and slamming directly into the United States. This is what we call a polar vortex event. On top of that, the west coast of the US is influenced by a cold ocean current, the California current, which brings cooler water down from the north. The combination of these Arctic air invasions from the north and the cold Pacific currents means that much of the United States experiences much harsher and longer winters than you might expect for its latitude. So, next time you're bundling up in Boston while your friend in Rome is enjoying a sunny day, you'll know why. It's not about how far south you are, but about which way the ocean currents and the winds are blowing. The ocean is the true thermostat of our planet. Thanks for watching. And if you learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.